Important public buildings in Brasilia have white as the predominant external color, whether on painted surfaces or cladding. It can be said that the color white is, therefore, an important architectural element in the Monumental Axis of Brasilia. Therefore, the decision to paint the house white arose from the idea of appropriating this characteristic of the city. The color white also functions as a common language that unites different materials in construction, such as concrete, masonry, metal, and solid brick. The Casa de los Tijolos Blancos, white brick house, was built in an extremely artisanal way by masons-craftsmen, in a slow and precise process. Although it is a construction process that is not widespread in Brasilia today, the use of exposed solid bricks has a construction complexity that requires precision and constructive refinement, elements very present in the most representative public buildings of Brasilia. Located in a residential complex in the Lago Sul region of Brasilia, the white brick house program was distributed around the perimeter of the plot so that all the main rooms of the house could face the central area, with a large green area and a semi-Olympic swimming pool. Therefore, the bedrooms, living rooms, terraces, kitchen and even the garage were directed towards the spacious garden environment, which functions as a central courtyard. The facades are covered by an external layer of solid bricks, painted white. Its different degrees of openness are formed by the variable spacing between the bricks. The level of visibility through the bricks reflects the different levels of privacy desired for each room. The hollow spaces between the bricks also allow for natural cross-ventilation. Therefore, the bricks form a second facade that has the function of controlling direct sunlight, natural ventilation, and the desired privacy. The bricks have elongated sizes designed specifically for the house. The spaced bricks reinterpret one of the most relevant architectural elements in Brasilia, the cabogo, which is so important for ventilation and natural lighting in Brazilian architecture.